I'm Stephanie from Renovation Baby, and today I wanted to show you how I made some personalised map art prints. I've been working with Abstract House, who have produced the most beautiful frames, and I picked these oak veneer ones in the size 40 by 50, and they're to fit a A3 print within the mount. So I ordered separately and designed in Canva my own map that personalised to us, places that meant something to us, and I got them printed. Then I obviously taped them into the back of the frame, which is a really good solid frame, and it's made absolutely beautifully in Britain. Then we started to get them up on the wall. So this is my wall that I started with, very blank and plain wall that was calling for some prints. We always use a laser line to get our prints straight and our frames up on the wall straight, and they're absolutely, you need to get a laser line for all sorts of DIY. You need to find where you want them on the wall and find your middle point of your middle frame for these set of 3. And we measured the string on where the actual string would sit, and there was our point that we measured. We put our laser line on and we nailed a little tack into the wall where the string would sit on. This then allowed us to work from that point onwards and figure out where we wanted them either side. And we measured the middle point of each frame on our laser line, which will keep us in line with the middle one, with the starting one. But what we did find is that the string sometimes would change, like there was 5mm difference on one of them. So therefore you need to find out which individual frame at the middle point is its gap between the top and the point. And then this one was 5mm, so we then found our laser line, went 5mm above our original laser line, and then we got them all in line and nice and neat. So that's how we managed to get our gallery walls up in a nice straight line. So I'm absolutely over the moon with these. Abstract House is a brilliant website with the most beautiful artwork that they've designed themselves, and they make you gallery walls which are amazing, and then they sell these frames to go with them, and I'm absolutely over the moon. So if you have a look in the description box below, you can see the blog post where I got the prints and how I made this. So thank you very much.